Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. New in, we have this Volkswagen Polo BlueMotion Tech Match Edition, powered by a 1.2 litre TSI engine with low mileage for its age, and coming in a stunning grey colour. The colour is enhanced by the window surrounds, grille with surround, privacy glass not only adding to the look of the car but also the security, and the silver 15-inch Stratford alloys. This car benefits from halogen clear headlights with range adjustable with separate daytime running lights ensuring great vision of the road day and night, as well as electronic stability control improving the safety of every drive. To the rear of the car we have this spacious boot perfect for shopping and luggage, coming with the variable boot floor ensuring you always have space when needed. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and ISOFIX points on the outside too. When entering the interior of the car, you are greeted by the stunning black two-tone cloth upholstery, brightening up the cabin of the car, pairing perfectly with the dark Rhodium fine decorative inserts. On the dash, we have the flat-bottomed black steering wheel, which is also multifunction, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control, as well as the interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping to create a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the touchscreen. This features the likes of DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist. We also have CarNet App Connect and other car settings. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.